With the fusion of technology and creativity, LED lighting products are leading the way. Today, we bring you 4 models of our most popular LED lighting products to make your space more technological, stylish, and personalized. First is the RGB hexagon light, which is not only lighting, but also an atmosphere maker. 16 million colors are adjustable, support app and remote control to adjust the color and brightness. There is also a music rhythm mode, modular design, can be freely spliced with different shapes to create a unique light effect. Next is the LED hexagon light, which is the ultimate representative of modern minimalist style. It adopts high-quality LED light source with strong brightness and low power consumption, modular splicing, cool white light and warm white light optional to meet different environmental needs. The unique LED hexagon light design is both decorative and practical, let your space more striking and eye-catching. If you like to personalize your decor, the Polygonal Geometric light is definitely for you. Because it is an extremely versatile lighting solution, our Polygonal Geometric lights can be freely combined in a variety of shapes from minimalist to complex artistic forms, such as car stores, workshops, gyms, showrooms, play areas, supermarkets, and other places. This light meets all the needs of different environments. Last but not least, garage ceiling lights for the ultimate lighting experience in your garage. Super bright to meet the professional lighting needs of garages and repair shops. Its dust-proof and waterproof design adapts to a variety of environments and is durable, modular design for easy installation, suitable for home garages, commercial repair stations, showrooms. As an experienced manufacturer, Gonengo is deeply engaged in the car aftermarket lights industry, and its products are exported to more than 100 countries such as the United States, Canada, Europe, South America, Japan, etc., and its quality is highly recognized. Feel free to contact us to customize your LED lighting products, whether it's for home decor, gaming atmosphere, commercial lighting, or professional garage lighting. We have the best LED lighting solutions.